Okay, for this assignment, there's a spot where you are going to have to put a picture in. It's right here. What is your favorite food? So I thought that I would show you how to do that. So when you are in your document, when you press on Who Am I, you will go over here to it says Insert. Right there, you press Insert. And before you press Insert, go ahead and put your cursor, make your the little line blink so that it knows where to put your picture. So then you come over here to Insert, and it has Images, and then it will say there's many options. You can do photos if you have it on your computer, if you have a camera, but this one we're just going to go to Search the Web. So you click on that, and this nice little window comes up. So you put it in here, and up at this it says this is your search box. And what you want to do is you want to put in favorite food. Let me see. What is my favorite food? Let me see. Well, right now it's ice cream because it's summer. So I'm going to put in ICE. Oh, ice cream, and it already comes up right there. So then I click on that. Oh, look at that. I like ice cream. Let's see which one I like. I think I'm going to go with this one because this looks like black cherry. Then I press that, and way down here on the bottom, they'll say Insert. And you click on Insert. It's not working. Maybe I'll hold on. Got to maybe move up. There we go. I had to move my box. Insert. So then it waits and look. Oh, it's put a picture in of how. Right there. I didn't want a picture right there. Let's see if we can move it. Well, I messed up. So hold on 1 second. We will go back and hey, we get to practice it. We get to practice it more. So make sure it's in that one that says what is your favorite food. Go to Insert, Image, Search the Web. Oh, and it has ice cream on there. So we just do that. Let's see if we can go find that picture again. Ooh, that one, because it looks like black cherry. And then I go over here to this nifty button right here, says Insert, and it will insert the picture for me. And that's how you insert a picture on one of your documents. I hope it helps, and I can't wait to see all of your guys' favorite food.